abashomiraho St. Cecilia Girls Senior Secondary School baheruka ishuri ryabo okutayaya ekitambo kya misa kyebembirwemu Ishabarisa Lambert Binumugisha Archbishop Wambarara Archdiocese. Archbishop Lambert Binumugisha ashabira beji abakiriyo nibashoma okorana man babe abaman omwihanga.
I want to encourage our sisters, the students here, that you can make it. If these people have made it to become the girls, you can also make it.
We cannot thank you enough because of your financial and moral support. Only we pray to God to bless you abundantly.
Professor Florence Maranga mukuru wa factory bitoki omuri Bushenyi niwe abari umujyenyi mukuru ashabira beji okongera kurebera hari.
Young people, you are lucky. Luckier than them. You are the generation where governments are looking at you.
Mu kitambo kya misa habira okutunyisa confirmation ahabeji 50 habiraho nugaba eberavu.
Kundishomero ryitu n'amani mingi kandi n'umwana yashomye St. Cecilia wamugana n'umurebe ikotumanye.
Twaza akanisa ya St. Paul Nyamtirwa Church of Uganda yari kwebemberwa omurisa Reverend Emmanuel Munyaneza yakusta Sunday kireki okuhiga abazire okwakiraje abeji abarino bahumura ahabwatamo ya kabiri.
Tumoro kechi okura TV kinashonga no basa kureba hebirungi konka TV akutukujikosana n'amasima abana kuba kumura bamwe babahereza amasima ebyarebaho nibyombeka ningati bukombeka ntabwo echo okokosa teknolojiya amasimu na TV mukama twereke abana kuza kubombeka amashomero mbabahwera ubundi abana bagomba kagabo ntabwo eche bya TV nebya amasimu turebe binte bishikiri
abana batakaba bitabo byonka mukaba kwataraza coaching mukaba kwaturu kushoma konka kureka begene mirome ndijo ko kwinga kozi ebintu kuteka noshanga umwana akuzana ryo muci mukuru ngata kubasa kuhata akatekemera abantu bakagirya
omurisa henje no kusima Kristayo abwabombeka obarino bakora twaza arabugamba Senior Secondary School omurampara uko abashomireyo bayitandika kwekora mu murimo okureba ngo bagurura chapo yabo altar. Ibyona byabiyebembiremo Dan Arijuka orukora na Ministry of Defense warga Mbuya.
Education ekora munonga no paka bakabana ba portutuzu muni basakuje bashomese ka political ideology. Nje bashomese izo baryo za political economy.
Yatwentande mukunje munonga kandi tunamasikunga abana bane bije kutamburaho ebere birukwija
kusima afande Danison jana bagenzi be staya iro muservice yitiyerizo batu no kushemerwa munonga no kusima bije no kutwera kureba ngo neino horo ninge yitweta kachapo yitu twashemeza reporta
Our TV West Disenyomo Gideon na Adolf Ayoreka.